a Maryland resident, Robin Patrick, is threatening to file a $10 million lawsuit against Meghan Markle after suffering catastrophic burns from a homemade bath salt recipe featured in Markle's Netflix series, Love. Patrick claims the bath salts, which included Epsom salt, Himalayan salt, arnica oil, and lavender oil, caused her significant pain and cosmetic distress. Patrick, who has diabetes, argues Markle had a duty of care to warn viewers about potential adverse effects, particularly due to the essential oils used. Following the episode, which showcased Markle creating the bath salt as a gift for makeup artist Daniel Martin, Patrick replicated the recipe using ingredients she had at home. Immediately after dissolving the mixture in her bathtub, Patrick experienced severe discomfort. Initially, I experienced a mild tingling sensation without discomfort. However, as the water level rose, I began to feel burning and significant discomfort, she recounted. Despite applying Gold Bond lotion and lidocaine sprays for relief, her condition worsened, leading to ulcers and ongoing pain. Patrick asserts her injuries are still not healed, causing daily discomfort and concerns regarding infection due to her autoimmune condition. She expressed her willingness to settle outside of court for a minimum of $75,000 for medical expenses and suffering, alongside seeking $10 million from Markle, Netflix, and Archul Productions for reckless disregard for public safety. In response, Markle's attorney Cameron Stracher countered that Patrick should have known the risks associated with the bath salts, particularly for someone with diabetes, emphasizing, the use of Epsom salts is contraindicated for individuals with diabetes except on the advice of a physician. Stracher also stated that there can be no negligence claim, as it was not foreseeable that Patrick would disregard instructions from the Epsom salt packaging.